Ready to unlock a powerhouse of marketing automation by connecting Pabbly Connect with Aisensy. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account and click on the Create Workflow button to start a new automation sequence. Name your workflow something descriptive, like Aisensy Lead Nurturing, and then click Create. Now, we need to define the trigger. Search for Aisensy in the app selection box. If Aisensy isn't directly available as a trigger, you might need to use a webhook trigger. Copy the unique webhook URL provided by Pabbly Connect. This is the address where Aisensy will send its data. Head over to your Aisensy account, find the integration settings, or a section to configure webhooks. Paste the webhook URL you copied from Pabbly Connect into the designated field within Aisensy. Configure Aisensy to send data based on the events you want to trigger your workflow. This could be a new contact added, a message received, or any other relevant event. Back in Pabbly Connect, click Capture Webhook Response now. Trigger an event in Aisensy that you configured to send data. Pabbly Connect should capture the data sent from Aisensy and display a sample of it. Now that you have the trigger set up, it's time to define the action. Choose the app you want to use. For example, if you want to add new Aisensy contacts to a Google Sheet, select Google Sheets. Connect your chosen app and map the data fields received from Aisensy using the information from the webhook capture. This ensures that the right data goes into the correct fields in your action app. Then, save the integration. Finally, test your integration by triggering another event in Aisensy. Verify that the data is correctly transferred and processed by your chosen action app. Once you confirm everything is working perfectly, activate your workflow, and you're all set. Enjoy the power of Pabbly Connect and Aisensy working seamlessly together.